How to play Rainbow Six Siege on Xbox with keyboard and mouse. I'm going to tell you how to play Rainbow Six Siege on Xbox using keyboard and mouse. First, here's the catch. Rainbow Six Siege on Xbox does not officially support keyboard and mouse. Plugging them in won't do anything unless you use a third-party adapter. Devices like XIM Apex, Chronos Zen, or Rhea Snow S1 trick your Xbox into thinking your keyboard and mouse are actually a controller. Just connect the adapter, plug in your peripherals, and configure the settings through the adapter software. Keep in mind using adapters is a gray area. Some consider it cheating, and it may lead to input lag or even detection in competitive lobbies. Also, Ubisoft and Xbox don't officially endorse this method, so use it at your own risk. If you really want native keyboard and mouse support, your best bet is to play Rainbow Six Siege on PC. But if you're set on Xbox, an adapter is your only reliable way in.